10 reminders from the Quran. Topic 1. Promise of God. Keep your promise to me, and I will keep mine to you. 2:40. Topic 2. Nearness of God. I am indeed close to them. I listen to the prayer of everyone that calls on me, so let them listen to my call and believe in me so that they may walk the path of deliverance. 2-186. Topics 3. Signs of God. Creation of man. Unity of humankind. It is he who produced you from a single soul, then gave you a place to stay in life and a resting place after death. We have made our revelations clear to those who understand. 6-98. 4. Topics. Contentment. Unbridled desires. Heedlessness. Keep your soul's content with those who pray to their Lord morning and evening, seeking his approval, and do not let your eyes turn away from them out of desire for the attractions of this worldly life. Do not yield to those whose hearts have been made heedless of our Quran, because he had always followed only his own desires, abandoning all that is good and true. 18:28. 5. Topics. Dhikr. Remembrance of God. Remember me, and I shall remember you, and be grateful to me, and do not reject faith. 2-152. 6. Topics. Blessings of God. Unity of God. People, worship your Lord, who created you and those before you, so that you may be mindful of him who spread out the earth for you and made the heavens a canopy, who sent water down from the sky and with that water produced things for your sustenance. Then do not set up rivals to God when you have the knowledge. 2-21-22. 7. Topics. Trials and test. Patience, perseverance. Be sure we shall test you with something of fear and hunger, some loss in goods or lives or the fruits of your toil. But give glad tidings to those who patiently persevere, who say, when afflicted with calamity, to God we belong, and to him is our return. These will be given blessings and mercy from their Lord, and it is they who are rightly guided. 2-155-157. 8. Topics. Forgiveness of non-believers. Return to God. Tell those who believe to forgive those who do not believe in the coming of the days of God. He will recompense people for what they have done. Whoever does good benefits himself, and whoever does evil harms himself. You will all be returned to your Lord. 45-14. 9. Topic. Transcendence of God. To God belongs the east and the west. Wherever you turn, there is the presence of God, for God is all-embracing, all-knowing. 2-115. 10. Topic. One God. God is one. There is no deity but him, the all-merciful, the all-compassionate. 2-163. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment down below.